Good day, everyone. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome, chat. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. How do you feel? How's your day? Great to see you. Great to see you. And great to have you on board. Wow. What a lovely community. Wow. What's up, guys? Are you ready? We've got some red forward news coming out in 4 minutes. Oh, no, not 4 minutes. Sorry. 10 a.m. EST time. Yes. JOLTS job openings. 10 a.m. EST. We've been talking about it on our Discord. Yep. That's going to be 10 a.m. EST time. Let's just go ahead and invite people. We are live. What's up? Not yet. But there's a ton of people getting paid. I haven't received my one yet. I think it's gonna come soon. So, yeah. You guys want to make sure to sign up on Formula for today's giveaways, $125,000 if we hit minimum 180 likes. Right. Paper trading. Oh, welcome, Igor. I think you're gonna do really well. We've got massive promotions from Lucid. Keep in mind, today is the last day. Great to see you guys. So, I'm going to explain you the scaling plan in a minute. Stick with me for the next time. You got paid last night from YRM. Congratulations, Rocket. YRM is paying daily. The only thing is they're slow, but they're paying daily, right? Congratulations, buddy. What time today the deal expires for the Lucid? Let me share with you that one, guys. So the deal expires the deal expires probably EST time. Yes, EST time, right? So the price is here mentioned. I'm gonna paste it in the chat. Right, that's the timing. So you certainly want to grab your accounts. Maximum discount will be allocated with a scramble coupon code on Lucid. Remember, guys, Lucid Flexes will change their prices. I'm gonna have a message here. Prices will increase from tomorrow. Right, it's kind of the last day before price increase. You can have unlimited evaluations. Yeah, there's gonna be an update in the pricing for Lucid. Lucid prices will increase. But there's gonna be updates for Lucid in April in terms of I'm gonna tell you more about it as soon as we get closer with that. I'll make videos. I can't tell you too much about it other than things that are public and available. Simon for YRM, are we allowed to trade news? Yes, you're allowed to trade news on YRM. Yes, you're allowed to trade gold. No, the payout rules have changed. The payout rules have changed, so it's no longer 6 days with $150 per day without profit target. No, the payout rules have changed since 1st of February. Right, so right now the payout rules are different. You have a target for the instant funding accounts, and for the accounts that are not instant funded, I think I got disconnected for a moment. Yeah, we're back, guys. I think I got disconnected for a moment, but we are back. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Watching the price action, I'm about to start trading my YRM accounts. I'm gonna load up some more Lucid Flexes today, because eventually I will need them during April or May or whatever, right? Testing out a short here, guys. Testing out a short here. Well, depends what are you trading. Depends what are you trading for 100,000 Lucid Flex. If you're trading minis or micros. We have got into a short here, but it's risky with today's price action in terms of the shorts. I would suggest you to start slow. And think about micros, so MNQ instead of NQ, right? You want to trade the Nasdaq, the micros of Nasdaq, which is the MNQ. And then you want to start with 3 contracts and see how it works, and slowly adjust to higher levels if you think that's not sufficient. If you're trading the New York session, then you can also start with a single contract and test the waters and see how it works, and slowly scale. It's very important for those of you that are not I'm out of this trade, I don't like it, I'll accept the loss, guys. So it's very important for those of you that are not having a clear knowledge of the sizing that's working for you to start very slow and find your target in terms of sizing by increasing to that level. Decreasing back to your numbers most of the time is not possible. So the other way around is not possible, because trading on a higher sizing than you should is going to generate you losses that are not going to be affordable, right? So you're going to lose the account before you have time to adjust your sizing if you do it the wrong way, the other way, by starting big with the expectancy to decrease at some point. No, you have to start slow and low and then increase when you see, well, I've been trading with 2 and 3 micros and there's not much happening, and I have a cushion of 4,000 or 6,000 or 3,000 or whatever, and that allows me basically more freedom so I can adjust the sizing from here. But if you start basically with 30, 40, 50 micros, 60 micros, there might not be time to adjust. Very, very important. People get trapped into these big numbers just because you can have a max capacity of whatever sizing. You don't need to get with that one from the beginning. Obviously, most of the time, you should not touch that. Good day, good morning, great to see you. Now, explaining the scaling Are you still here with the scaling? Let me know if you're still here with the scaling for the Lucid Flex explanation so I can share with you. Great, so Lucid scaling. Good morning, good day everyone. Let me explain you. Speaking about the Flex, we have a very clear representation. There is a scaling plan explanation, and it works in the following way. In your funded stage, so not in the evaluation stage. This is only valid in the funded stage. When you start trading in the funded stage, which means you have passed your evaluation, based on your account value, and you say you have 150,000, so we refer to this specific column of 150,000, this one, right? If your balance is located here, these are the limits of your maximum contracts in a single trade, which means that the amount of contracts you can have maximum in a trade is dictated by the balance you have in your account. For example, if you want to trade 10 minis, you need to have at least 4,500 in your balance. You can't trade 10 minis or 100 micros from the first day you get funded, because then you would qualify in this category, which is having 4 minis or 40 micros. Right? So the more money you have in your balance, and as soon as you hit 4,500, you've kind of hit the maximum for the 150,000 scaling plan, the higher sizing you can do. This is the way it works. Your contract limits will always be calculated towards the end of the day balance. So if your balance is adjusting during the day, it's not affecting your maximum contract. But based on the end of the day, depending where your balance closes, that's where you are going to be located the next day, right? In that category. Lovely. Good morning, good day. Great to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining. There is no safe amount of contract. I mean, there are safer versions, and that's always going to be around the micros. If you do a single micro, you should be fine. You should be fine. Yes, 50,000 is one of the most popular, 50,000. 25,000 is not that popular. Let me explain you why, guys. For example, on the Lucid Flex side. 25,000, if we look at the pricing here, this is not a final discounted pricing. With my code, you have bigger discounts than what is listed here. However, if we compare this pricings, then we see your max loss for 25,000 compared to the max loss with 50,000 is basically double for the 50,000. You have an extra $1,000 max loss at the price of not having to pay double, but you only pay $21 if we look at these prices. But by the way, these prices are not the one you can have today with my code. Yes, that's right. But if we compare by these prices, let's put it that way, $21 extra gives you $1,000 extra max loss. $21 extra gives you $1,000 extra max loss. Indeed, the target is different. The target is 6%. Meanwhile, for the 25,000 is 5%. But at the same time, the payouts are also different. And we don't lose the account based on the profit target, we lose the account because when we don't have sufficient maximum loss limit, right? Sometimes we earn the whole value needed in terms of the target by having an extra $100 in the max loss that saved us, and we recover and we get to the target. So any little dollar additionally on the max loss is helping you to achieve your procedure. The pricing and the difference is extremely small between the two, and obviously I would incline for the 50k in between that. Let alone the payouts are much bigger. I think the payout value is going to double. Instant fund that are, yeah, if you're going for base hits, it's worth a test. If you got used to the 25,000, if you have your strategies for that specific account, it's worth your model. You don't have a back condition out here. You can give it a try for sure. Yeah. You can give it a try for sure. So once again, guys, Lucid Flex today is the last day of their current prices. From 1st of April, and no joke, prices will change. They will increase. It's a quite dirty price action that we have here, responding on the supply. I'm trading price action based on meaningful levels. Technicals and price action, I'm a momentum trader and scalper. You certainly want to be here for a longer period of time, and then great to see you guys, great to see you everyone. Thank you so much for joining, appreciate it. You do want to be part of our Discord community, especially if you want to join the giveaways. You have to be part, it's mandatory. Subscribe to the channel, come on guys. Click the notification bell. Yeah. Here's our funded of got 157 bucks. Here's our funded of tap on futures and trade evade, the elite daily. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. I don't think they're playing that. Would be a pretty bad decision. It's going to backlash a lot. They're professionals, guys. Right, so we have our elite daily from tap on futures. I'm going to paste you the link here, guys, that we just passed yesterday. You guys know that. This is daily payouts above the buffer. The buffer is at 3%, so whatever we make in this account above 3%, which means 3,000 bucks. We don't have consistency, I think. Yeah, we don't have consistency on the funded stage. This is really good. I like it. Yep. We're gonna open up my Quant Tower with a Lucid Flexes there. We have a pretty strong supply here. $300 points above the opening. We're 130 points above the daily VWAP and the weekly one. I'm not lagging today. Brackets orders. Yes, you can do brackets orders. I have a video about TradeC tutorial. You want to see that? It's on my channel. As soon as I finish the live stream, you can watch that. You want to see my YouTube channel? There is a tutorial there, and I explain about the brackets. I didn't use order profiles or volume at all. I can measure the essential momentum from the candlesticks and structures. Yeah. It does, I mean, it is not looking pretty cooked today, Nasdaq. We got statements from Trump this morning that are shaking the price action like this. But there is not much reaction behind his messages. We no longer have 600 points reactions like we had. Looks like markets got tired. Sick and tired. Giveaway is happening during the live stream once I finish trading. You have to be here. No order flow. Interesting here. The way we load up. Very interesting the way we load up. Here's our Lucid Flex account. Funded state $252,000. Game over. When you have an account sitting on 252,000, is game over. Lucid Flex funded stage. No consistency and target. It's game over. Here's the account, guys. This is the way we got to that point. You see, this is the benefit of running flexes with no consistency on the funded stage. You can have days where you do 38 grand. You can have days where you do 22 grand and then 18 grand. Look at that, guys. So in matter of 3 days, on the 19th, do the math, from the 19th, on the 26th and 27th, you want to do the math. 26, 27 is about 40 grand, right? And then 38 on the 19th, that's about 78,000 in 3 days. 78,000 in 3 days. And the other account is having 254. It's having more. It's having 254. This one is not having losses at all. 254. We don't have days above 30 grand here, but we do have multiple days sitting around 7 to 10,000. Yeah. This is an interesting situation here. If we get some momentum, guys, I'm about to long it for our trade of a trade with a tap on futures, elite daily funded stage. I want to get to that stage of having daily payouts so bad. They were 150,000 accounts. Not 50, but 150. I'm out for the moment. 539 totally. We're going to celebrate that one, guys. This is very important. Funded stage, no consistency. Whatever we do above 103, we can do daily payouts. The buffer is on 103. I'm very cautious right now. Thank you. Yep. So, listen up, guys. Minimum 180 likes. Make sure to like the video. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we don't do the giveaways. It's simple and straightforward. Gotta see what can I do with this one. Haven't longed it. We're having 150,000 instant funded from YRM, which is, by the way, having a great ratio with their instant funded, the instant prime. Right, so YRM is having the lowest target there, less than 6%. With my code, you have an extra 10%, so that's $90 extra discount on top of what they're giving you, which makes it at 450 instead of 540. At 450 price to have a 6,000 bucks drawdown is insane as a funded account. The payout target is not at 6%, which would be 9 grand, but it's at 8,000, which is less than 9. That's a 1,000 bucks less. Maximum 3 accounts, 20% consistency. Quite simple and straightforward. A classic version with better prices and a lower target. How's your day? Welcome, guys. Daily payout, yes. The account is Elite Daily, a challenge here. I got a video on my channel, Tap on Futures, recently posted Elite Daily from the Tap on Futures. Here's the link. You can find out more about it. Oh. I will be testing a short here. Yeah, I will be testing this short. If we get rejected here, I'm out. Put my stop losses and break even. We got into the short with 10 minis on Lucid Flex 2, guys. 10 minutes short here. I'm out for the moment. 1,360 made here. And I'm gonna get out of this one here too. We made some money. We've got 900 for the tap on futures. And 1,360 basically on the other side for the Lucid Flex. Great money, right? Celebration time. The price increase is happening only for the Lucid Flexes. News are located on 10 a.m., not 9. Badgers Paddle Week from 12 AC. Ha 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 ha. News are happening in an hour and 3 minutes. 10 a.m. EST time. We always have, guys, the news details of today on our group Red 40 News listed here. Thank you, guys. Good morning, welcome everyone, and good evening. Do not forget to like the video. We must hit 180 likes. I am getting ready to create the trading competition, guys, for you. Very likely it's going to come into play soon. Trading competition. You guys will be able to be rewarded for your trading you're doing. With a leaderboard, with our entire community competing and trading for best performances, helping each other, keeping accountability, and of course, winning prizes. I'm creating a trading competition for you right now. And simply with the accounts you're trading today, you can just sign them up for the competition. You don't have to do anything else and trade normally, then get rewarded. You can use even more than 9. You can use even more than 9. Yeah. Lovely retracement here. We have the flat opening in a minute, guys. Flat opening. Yes, we're going to be able depends which account, basically. Depends which account for YRM. Basically, the buffer is you can cash out 50% of your profits. So basically, that's kind of the buffer. It's like the Lucid Flex on YRM too. 50% of your profits can be cashed out. Lucid Flex Evil 100,000. Yes. The 100,000 is not changing, and the 25,000. But the most popular ones, the 50 and the 150, are changing. Lucid is increasing the prices tomorrow. Simplistic videos. Tomorrow, 1st of April, is increasing the prices for the Lucid Flex 50,000 and 150,000. Yes. The discount is going to be the same, but the prices will increase from tomorrow. Cheers, everyone. How much will they cost? Well, these are the differences. I mean, depends when you do the math, how the calculation is going to be done. For example, from 91 bucks, it's going to be 98 on the 50,000. And then the 150,000 is going to have an extra 50 bucks, but then the discount needs to be applied, right? So you still have to apply the discount. These are not the final prices. No. The price increase. Yeah, there is a big chance something new comes out on the April 5th. Yes, 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 yes. So the price increase is a way to monetize and optimize your business, Martin, for Lucid. They're optimizing and monetizing their business. They have tremendous amount of accounts that are selling, tremendous amount. And tremendous amount of popularity, very good products, a company that pays you in minutes, a company that is delivering extreme quality services, is having also the ability to charge people decent prices. So we'll say have a great edge right there. Yeah, discounted resets. You can fill up the gap. You can fill up your bag. You can have unlimited evaluations. Unlimited. Yeah. I'm reaching out constantly and negotiating for discounts. It's important that our community is having a comfortable environment of trading. Yeah, 4th of April is for YRM, and then 5th of April could be for the Lucid. YRM is trying to update their dashboard. They've been putting resources and investing into for many, many months. Big bucks on the 4th. Well, well. What do we trade here? Kind of undecided. Yes, the resets are cheaper today than they are going to be from tomorrow. A couple of dollars cheaper. Yes. Exactly. It is. Scramble coupon code always gives you the maximum, guys, at these firms. The maximum you have as a person, even the resets. Oh, the 4th payout with them. It's going to be juicy. $6,000. Master Trader reached the 4th cycle with YRM. I think he's going to compete a lot for you guys in the trading competition. Master Trader is going to be there, knocking your asses away. We're going to have weekly trading competition. Weekly. Every single week, you will be able to compete. It's going to be a unique model, very exciting. I'm going to be there next to you guys, fully, transparently, monitoring every single decision I have on the live stream. Fully and totally transparently. Bots and algos, yes, you're allowed. Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that 100 long. Certainly want to do like maybe you want to test out Lucid. Maybe the trading conditions, the take profit trader, they're not favoring your style. Certainly you want to do something. Yes, the competition is going to be based only on funded accounts. Only on funded accounts, not evaluations, because evaluations are sometimes gambled by people. 40% discount. Right, so the competition will be based on your funded accounts. You will need to have funded accounts to be able to join the competition, and you will be able to join the competition at any point. How much time it takes to take profit of 100,000 from 150,000? Well, let me share with you. We got the number straight up here. This is for how much it takes, or how long it takes. This is for how long it takes. "11 business days. This is an interesting level. I'm testing out along. We got into the long on my trade of 8-2. That we can only trade 20 micros because of the scaling. It's a fresh funded account, and you start off with 20. Yes, only 3,000 every 5 days. Stop loss break even on my Lucid Flexes. We just bounced off from the algo line. We bounced off from the algo line. We have longed this on my YRM too. We've longed this on my YRM too. We're gonna find it out if it's worth it. Some nice profit here for the trade of it, guys. Still leaving it open with a stop loss and break even. I'll get my stop loss break even for the trade of 8. I'm gonna get out here for the YRM because I want to bring this in profit. I want to secure the profits here too, 500 bucks. And I'm gonna secure the profits here too right now. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. This is Trading 101. Simple but very efficient. Guys, you want to compete against me on the trading competition? I'm gonna trade like this. I'm not gonna trade like this on the trading competition, guys. I don't want to take the accounts, but I have to be ranked #1. What are you gonna do, guys? What's gonna be the plan? You see, I'm gonna trade like this. Pretty sweet, right? I've lost my connection, guys. You see how they hit me? They disconnected me for a second. You know, that's all coming from the market makers. They disconnect me, guys. I did not pay my bill. Yes. It's going to be explained. They're freezing me, guys. And it's unstoppable here. Even with 20 micros, we did 1,400. They are attacking me. Look at that. I'm disconnected from Quantower totally. It's gone. Starling. I have 750 megabytes upload. I've done an internet test, a speed test, 750 megabytes upload, and 1.2 gigabytes download. I don't know if that's good or bad or what is it. No idea about these numbers. I only know about the numbers that have the dollar in front, guys. I'm not familiar with any other numbers, what they're worth and how it works. So if there's no dollar in front of the number, I just can't really read that. Ride a trend. Oh, about time to sleep on it. Scrambos and fire. Come on, guys. You have to sing with me. Oh, look at that. We're back. T54 here. Ladies and gentlemen, T54. Let me see which is that account. This one. 2,647. 2,647. That's perfect, right? Ha ha ha. No idea the ping number. Oh, thank you so much. That's really good. Same profile. Same profile, just a different device. That's a massive red day. And you see, this massive red day is a huge lesson. During this day right here, having so much money in the account at the time I lost, I should have been going complete tilting, full tilt, right? And either blow up the entire account or save the account and have a green day on the 25th, right? So you pay the price of the entire account for a little dollar there. You know, guys, that's what you've been doing, right? You don't accept the loss. There's no way you would accept the loss. You better blow the entire account than see a red day like this, especially when you have 30, 40 grand. At that time when I lost, I had 30, 40 grand inside remaining. Why would you accept a loss? Just go ahead and blow the entire account. Oh. Yes, big number from Lucid, no consistency. It's their problem, not my problem. It's their problem. You never take losses. Just risk the entire account recovering. Ready to pay the entire price. Well, Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring up the energy. Bring up the volume. What's my goal with the account? Taking payouts, maximum payouts, continuously, having 5 accounts sitting in a good stage. So, having 5 accounts ready for payouts, taking a round of payout from 5 accounts. So the plan right now is to wait for 2 more in a such situation. We got 3 accounts that are in a very good shape. This one, right, the 254. The other one has 254 as well, which is not having today any profit. And the third one is this one, 211, which is having today 2,000 bucks. Right, so we have 3 accounts above 200 grand. Market opens in about 12 minutes, guys. Buenos dias. Hola, amigo. Are we gonna sit choppy here instead of blowing up? I was about too long. I was about too long. I'm trying. I'm gonna start trading them today. One is here. Yeah. Let's focus on the other 2 accounts. Let's focus on YRM. Let's focus on some Tradeovate. So you're sitting in along trying to make some little dollars. This is fun that we can only do 4 minis. And we're doing 4 minis here, long. Fun that starting from scratch. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. I'm in the wrong account, guys. I'm in the account it's just having a lot of money. Look at that. How silly. Yeah. I was running that trade in the big account, so I missed the entry. I'm still having the entry here. And still having my entry on this side too. I'm out of this one. 600 or 500 or whatever we made. Great profit here for YRM. 782. But then at this time, it's a little bit... I'm out. I'll take 1,455. That's good for me. But this is way more important. 782. Cheers, everyone. Oh my gosh. JOLTS in 40 minutes. So make sure to like the video, guys. We need minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. And remember, today for Lucid Flexes, it's the last day before the price increase. Before the price increase. Getting back in my long here. We'll do the same thing for the YRM. Ha 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 ha. Oh, let me take that message away. You guys want to see the PNL, right? We're making money here too. The only thing is we don't have a long on Lucid. I don't like this rejection, guys. I'm out from here. And I'm gonna be out from here too. I take a little loss, 80 bucks. I don't like this rejection. I don't want to see this. No, no. Scramble is not friendly with that. Unlimited evaluations, Martinez, and maximum 500 running simultaneously. This is getting into my short here, testing out the waters. Testing out the waters. 3,000 every 5 days. Yeah, a lot of live accounts too. I don't like the way things are going around this price section. Acting so dirty. Acting so dirty and undecided. So I better quit. I better quit from here. I'm out. We have 1,114. Accepting the loss at the right time is the only solution available for my instance. Yep. Let's see what does the last 5 minute brings before the opening right now with the algo. Keep that in mind. One more second and we're gonna see something. We have a flat opening for the downside. This is not looking bearish, guys. Not looking bearish for the 15 minute. No, no. Not looking bearish. This combination is very, very bullish. This combination for the 15 minute. The only thing is the external side of the market. That is, we might get some statement today as well, turning things 180 degree around. Oh. A 180 degree around with the statements. Market is not looking that bad for the 15 minute approach. There's a very strong reaction level sitting on 230s. Very strong. Yeah. I'm shorting here. I'm shorting here too. And I'm shorting on my Quant Tower Lucid Flex funded account. Yeah, so this retest here with a lower high applied could be bearish, guys. That's why I shorted. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, we're printing. We are printing, guys. Come on. Well, you want to stop doing that green candles, boy. You want to stop doing that green candles. Oh my gosh. Oh. We're not printing anything this way. We're not gonna print anything this way. What a silly reaction. Have to admit. They are doing dirty to me. Have to admit they're doing dirty jobs to me. 1 minute to go. You just have to be careful here. Yeah, stop loss is right there. At the top of the wick here. Stop loss is at the top of the wick. Same thing for my Lucid. Stop loss at the top of the wick. $30 seconds to go. We'll touch that stop loss. We'll have to get out from here as well. It's running. Look at that massive wick. Ha ha ha. Massive wick for the upside on the opening. Really dangerous, right? Testing out a little short from here. Not looking good. Not looking good. If the explosion comes, I gotta be out. Yeah. Putting my stop loss there, guys. There's no other choice. They touched my stop loss there and dumped it. Let's see for the next candle situation if we can get something down. Or the pressure is too strong. I'm gonna be out here, $700 profit. I think that's good. No. That was an ugly opening. I think they're gonna reshort this, yeah. Reshorting this move. Will they bring it back? Or do we get some liquidity grab from the lower side as well? That's the question for me, guys. That's the question for me. That's why I'm out here trying to monetize. You want to certainly watch out and be careful with this openings. Watch out for that candle right there. We made a new high and we didn't push. Yet it's not late. Look at that. It's not late. Things can get dirty. And they are doing a dirty job to me here. I have to put a stop loss there. Yeah. There's no other way around for that. Indeed. This is quite difficult stuff, right? It's not easy to trade this. Gonna grab my other funded. Watching it closely. Gotta take my time and measure things. We're gonna break that. This is looking promising for the moment. But I'd like to wait a little bit and see what's happening with the new candle. Yeah, let's see. Bring along here. No. Perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. Putting the stop loss there. So messed up. Watch that one. Watch that 5 minute. So messed up. It's going back. It's ridiculous, right? Ridiculous. Exploding. Look at that. This is a cat fight. No momentum. This is the opening. Obviously, I lost a lot. I paid for the education, for the experience. I paid for those things. As it is normal. Yeah. I paid for these things as it is normal. It's not possible to get to this point without paying for the experience and losing some. Oh my gosh, look at that one. We're gonna see a continuation here. Don't you dare denying it again. So if I minimize my exposure right now by cutting in half, this is gonna rip 200 points. You know, I'm setting stop loss break even. I'm setting stop loss break even, guys. That's it. The entry was too high. The entry was too high. Let's see what we get from here. Don't you dare coming back to my take profit. So we just went above a couple of ticks. And we came back for trailings. And now it's getting bought out. Look at that. There you go. Nasty Nasdaq. Ha ha. No way. There is no freaking way. There is no freaking way. I'm waiting. Looks like we're moving. Good morning. Make sure to fill up the form, guys. Come on. Fill up the form. You certainly want to be here for the giveaways. Testing out a little long from here. Let's see. Let's see. Putting the stop loss and break even. We touched the break even. We made 50 bucks. I think I should be satisfied with that, right? I think I should be satisfied with that. This is so hard to be traded here. It can easily tank 30, 40 points. Look at that. It can very easily do 30, 40 points. And you're gonna get scared. No, not trading the same way on the personal account. No. I don't do day trading and scalping on personal. I do investments and swing trading. News we have in 15 minutes. JOLTS. I will be testing a short from here, guys. Wow. I will be testing a short from here. No. No. What a scam. What a massive scam, right? Putting the stop loss at the end of the wick for that one. Have no alternative. Probably is going to be touched within the next candle, right? Yeah. Lovely. This is so crazy. Don't touch right now anything. Do not touch right now anything. Sitting in a long here for the YRM. 2,300 profit. Not bad. Yesterday's high, 574. Alright guys, so you want to make sure to be part of our Discord community, especially if you want to join our daily giveaways. Sign up, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell, Got in a little long here. Stop loss break even. I'm gonna be happy to take whatever green numbers, moving my break even a little higher. I'm gonna be happy to take whatever, like 1,000. Come on, guys. There's so much pressure here. There's so much pressure here. How does the giveaway works? Well, you have to complete the form on Formula here. You have to complete a lovely guys. I'm out here for the moment. Let me take that profit. Very important for this account. And we're gonna celebrate that. We're gonna celebrate that with its fireworks. This is risky, as you can see. That's so risky, right? So you certainly want to complete the form. Oh. It's exploding. You want to complete a form on Formula. You want to like the video. You want to be subscribed to my channel. And you want to join Discord. These are the conditions to be able to participate in the giveaway. The giveaway happens on the live stream as soon as I finish trading, which is usually happening at this times in the next 10 to 15 minutes. 10-15 minutes around that time. And then you'll have to guess the number. Let's see if we can relong this. Let's see if we get a continuation here. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's see if we can get some more push. Push this one, guys. Come on. Rip it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Remember, Lucid Flex is the last day for massive promotions. From tomorrow, promotion will remain, but the price will increase. Right, so Lucid is increasing the prices for Lucid Flexes for the 50,000 and 150,000. Here we are, guys. I'll go stop loss break even, you know, $100 profit. I'll do that. I'm sorry, but I'll do that. Yeah, we'll touch the break even. We got to explode. Wondering about the next candlestick. I've longed it here again. It's risky. Obviously. Yeah. Not bad, 497. So they came down to 497, take you out. We didn't touch 497. Sorry to hear that. Revaluations. Yeah, it's going to increase with a couple of bucks. Bring it up, guys. We're holding here for the moment. We're holding here for the moment. Micros will help a lot. Four minis long here, guys. Come on, let's print it. Let's go for a little target around 555. That's going to be juicy. This is the first day of the funded account for the Lucid Flex, this one is. So it's important the money we're making, because I want to move away from that damn max loss as soon as possible. Let's make some money. I'm out here, guys. $1,000 profit. I'm so happy about that one. Right, I think it's important. Profit. I think it's an important profit, guys. $1,000 profit. Oh, that's a big one. 200 points. Yesterday's high, 574. Rat forward the news in about 5 minutes. Rat forward the news. JOLTS data. In about 5 minutes. Yesterday's high, 574, getting close to that. Yeah, 200 points is really good. You're going to win the trading competitions this way. We're getting ready, guys, and preparing. We're going to organize trading competitions. Oh. That's some nice 500 points from you, Nazmirova. Yeah. We're gonna do a trading competition, guys. Trading competition. You guys will know about it. It's just 2 micro, but it's still 500 points. That's a huge money right there. So, we're gonna organize a trading competition. You guys will know about it. There's nothing public yet. We're going to reward the best traders. Weekly trading competitions. We haven't touched yesterday's high. We haven't touched it, guys. We haven't touched that. So I will be testing along here. For the little bounce. For the little bounce. Not more. For the little bounce, I'm going to test out along. Ho ho ho. Oh, this is not looking like a good 1 minute candle opening. DC a little bit here, but this is not looking good for the moment. Let's see. The reaction could actually appear. This candlestick is very important, guys. This candlestick needs to have refusal and lack of acceptance below 510. I don't want to see below 510. I've DC'd in this wick. Do something here. Do something. Come on, guys. This candle has to pump. And I'm gonna be out. There you go. Lovely. Lovely. 1,700. So we made 700 bucks on that one. Lovely. That's the only thing I needed here for the price action to show rejection, lack of acceptance below 510 with DCA'd, and we got out on the bouncing. Now it could crush. I don't care. Giveaway starts after JOLTS data. Boom. So giveaway starts in a couple of minutes, guys. Whew. Ha ha ha. You heard the fireworks. You came to see. Thank you, guys. That was the logic behind the trade. Less than a minute to go for JOLTS. I am out of the trade, guys. I got nothing running, but I'm thinking about opening something. Like, I got this big accounts here. Can I do something with them? This one has 254. $20 to go. 264, 254. Can we get to 300 grand this week? I don't think so. And it's not worth the risk, guys. Let's see what happens here. We have the news coming out. What are we gonna get, guys? What are we going to get? There's nothing happening. I haven't got into anything. You have your winning part as well, Jake. You have to think about like this. We can win because of you. Otherwise, we would not be able to win. We wouldn't be able to get paid, right? We need so many donors. So... $12 AC. Where is the 150,000 Lucid Flex account? For the giveaway. Ha ha. From the giveaway. $30? No reaction on news. Everyone got scared. The reaction is going to be delayed. 30 seconds, right? Thank you, guys. Giveaway starts in matter of seconds. This is not looking bad, guys. Do you agree with me? Tell me yes or no. Yes, you can trade Lucid Flex without paying attention to the news. There's no news rule. You can just have your time. There's a risk here for some 5-minute candles that will not be enjoyed by. We haven't traded, guys. We're not. I'm watching closely. I was about to hit something, but I didn't touch it. Alright guys, so time to seal up and enjoy the next moment. Massive discipline here, not touching the price action. I'm trading personal resources on swing trading, so... But that is happening in a space that's different. Yes, 1 minute before and 1 minute after, exactly. Yes. You have to master the game of the prop trading world. It's like a video game, guys, this prop trading world. And you gotta use the finances to fund your personal accounts. The thing is, you have to trade there differently. That's the only problem. Right, so you develop a great style, making profit from the prop firm world, that you can't really use. Not as a totally, but most of the parts of that style, most of the elements of that style cannot be used in personal resource trading. Cheers, everyone. Let's do some nice giveaways today. And have some more green tea. And then, just like people say, green tea and gambling will bring you, or will never bring you, to 254 grand on 150,000. Well, well, well. Let's just get out of Quant Tower. Enough is enough, Quant Tower. I don't need you anymore today. I didn't have a great day on the rest of the accounts that are funded for Lucid. But that is not an issue. Gotta fix the pedal, guys. Bear with me with a second. I have a wire, has to be connected. Bear with me for a second. I can show you guys, so if you don't trust me, I mean, I can show you. I seriously have a pedal here. Let me, oh my gosh, so, look at, can I take these cables? Hopefully the stream is not gonna turn up, guys. Wish me good luck with that. What the, what's wrong with this? How is this thing connected? We got some cables here. No idea where are they coming from. You guys any idea how do we unplug this? Forget about it. Ah. There you go. So what do we need, guys? What do we need? We need the wheel. We need the ducks. We need what else? We need the formula. You're not gonna get bonus accounts today. No, no. Scrambos and fire. No bonus accounts today, guys. Oh my gosh. What's running around this? Alright, so listen up. How do you participate should be your question. No idea if it is, but let me tell you something. You gotta fill up the form. You gotta fill up the form. You gotta like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with daily giveaways. A grade today. Well, with A being the best, I would give myself C today. C. Yeah. Between B and C. Between B and C. Here we are. First giveaway, 25,000. Tap on futures. Ignite account. 25,000. Tap on futures. Ignite. Instant funded. It's instant funded, guys. It's instant funded. Are they still having this product available? I think they do. 25,000 instant funded tap on futures. Ignite. First giveaway. Watch out. You want to guess the number, only a single guess per person. So watch out. From 0 to 9, guess the number, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Start right now. You can start right now. From 0 to 9, a single guess. Let me know your best number. You gotta guess the number to qualify. We're gonna do more accounts. We're doing daily a lot. Keep it running, guys. A single guess per person between 0 and 9. That's going to be heavy competition time. Let me show you a cable from the pedal. I found something. Here's the cable from the pedal, guys. You're not believing I got a pedal. You're not believing. Here's a cable from the pedal, guys. I just unplugged this, right? We got a pedal. As soon as we start spinning, I'm gonna set it back. You don't believe me, right? There you go. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. Let me fix the pedal. We're gonna shuffle and let it fly. Oh, look at that. We just passed number 2, Jake. Bad luck to you. It's a Dyson pedal, yes. Yeah. There you go. It's a Dyson pedal, but that's going to be probably number, what is it, 9? Is it 9? I don't think so. Oh, number 6, there you go. There you go, congratulations for the winners. We got you. You did not expect this. You did not expect it. You had number 9. Well, that's why I stopped it on number 6. Like, obvious, right? So here we are. I think we're gonna have a ton. 21 winners. There's no Badger on the list. 21 winners. We're gonna add Badger here. We're gonna add Badger right there in the middle. 30 seconds competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. You have to win the duck race. So it's simple, guys. If you want your duck to speed up, you have to jump, right? So you gotta jump. You gotta jump. The Tovi speeding up. The Tovi is right there winning the duck race. Badger on the second, Zill on the third. But what if the Tovi did not fill up the form? What if? Yeah, you gotta send me a new Dyson if you want a new pedal. So let's just find it out, guys. What's happening with the Tovi? We should act quickly, otherwise he's gonna fill it up right now. We should act quickly. The Tovi, do not underestimate our speed. The Tovi is here. Fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. 25,000. Tap 1 futures. Ignite goes out to your pockets. It's instant funded. Alright, guys, so time for another one. I'll give you Lucid. I'll give you Lucid right now. And watch out for the numbers we're doing. I'll give you Lucid right now. I'll give you Lucid right now. Lucid Flex. I'll give you good job. We're doing 50,000 Lucid Flex right now. It's not gonna be hard. Watch out. Number 2 and number 7. You can start right now. Best of luck, guys. Start right now. A single guess. A single guess. Panel is unplugged. Between 2 and 7. Chat is lagging. Chat is lagging. Wow. I haven't seen any comments for about 5 to 6 seconds. Weird. YouTube is having a problem. So if you're not qualifying, guys, you gotta blame YouTube. I'm trying to adjusting the pedal here. Alright. So between 2 and 7, you gotta guess the number. A single guess per person. You have to win this. There's no other accepted formula. You gotta be there. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. Stop right there. It's over. It is over. Well, well. Time to have some bonuses here. Time to have some bonuses here. I'm gonna introduce plus one more 50k flex. Plus one more 50k flex. And I'll have double of that, right? This way. This way, guys. So there is a big chance here to put your hands on a duck race involving 2 accounts. I think that's going to be number 2 from what the paddle shows me. The paddle shows me number 2, guys. Oh, we don't have a bonus round. No way. I told you the paddle shows me number 2. I told you like 10 seconds ago. Oh my gosh, what a chance, guys. You missed an opportunity of having one more of 50,000. How dare you? Numero due. Numero due. 86 winners. Well, look at that one. 86 winners. 87 with Badger. Jonathan, I can see you. Mr. Knife Art, you guys are here. Well, we don't have 2 rounds competition. It's going to be a single round. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. 1 minute. Time for you to swim and do your best. Yes, you claim the prize directly to me. Direct message me on Discord. Look at that. Badger is leading, guys. What's happening with this duck race? Look at that. Badger is leading here. We got him pushed back. We got him pushed back, guys. Oh, Jake, look at that. Jake is here in front. You got stubbed down. Boom. We got stubbed down. You're out, Jake. Best of luck next time. It's lost. It's not gonna come back. It's lost. Wiz. Wiz winning. Wiz ranked number 1. Congratulations, Wiz. Anton on the 2nd. Oh my gosh, that's so bad luck, right? Anton on the 2nd. You got drowned. Wiz, there you go. That you filled up the form, Wiz. Anton is waiting for the answer. Oh yes, Wiz6540 is here. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. You got this. Are you here? Yes. Boom. Congratulations. Ha ha ha. Oh. Wow. Continuing, guys, we have another one. We're gonna do 50,000. 50,000. Uh, 50,000 YRM for the last giveaway, guys. 50,000 YRM for the last giveaway. You guys want to do sack race? We're going to do sack race, guys. We're going to do sack race. So listen up for the numbers. We're going to have a simple way. Number 1 and number 3. Number 1 and number 3, right? So we are needing to take that number 2 off. You can start right now. Number 1 and number 3. Decide on the best choice. Decide. Number 1, number 3. How does it sound, Jake? Which one is your choice? Still number 2? You want to go for it. Sitting above 520s on Nasdaq. Number 1, number 3. You want to stop right there? No more guesses. It's over. Listen up. Bonus time. Bonus time. Plus 50k YRM. One more. Let's say that way. Plus one more 50k YRM. So there is a possibility to have 2 accounts shared today. And we're going to have double entry for that, which is quite wild, right? There you go. Best of luck, guys. Double entry for the bonus. If we don't hit the bonus right now, it's going to be a bad time. Well, I think that's going to be number 1. No bonus, guys. Paddle shows me number 1. No bonus. No. You're not gonna get that bonus. Oh, we got you with a number 1. Quite obvious, right? 550s on the Nasdaq. Congratulations for the winners. I bet we don't have more than 100. I think there is way more people with number 3. Way more with number 3. So I give you bonuses today. 86. 86. 86. Which means top 1 is going to win. But let me have your names. Let me double up the list. Triple the list. So your names appear 3 different times here. We have 261 ducks. Your names will appear 3 different times. You guys will compete for a minute. Best of luck, everyone. Your names will appear 3 different times. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Triple. Three more chances to win, yeah. Exactly. Come on, guys. You got triple chances winning. Come on, guys. Think about it. 10 seconds to go. It's time to cheer up. Let's go right now. Time to speed up. Fly. This fly me to the moon. And daddy on the second. But we got fly me to the moon. Look at that. Fly me to the moon. Winning. Congratulations, Fly. Well. Oh, here we are. He did fill up the form. He did fill up the form. Guys, let's do an exercise. Watch this one out. Let's do an exercise. What if Badger would have win? Let's verify if he filled up the form. Oh. There's no way, right? Yes, I know. I know you didn't. That's why I put it. That's why I put it. Oh. We're having a good time, guys. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. He is having diplomatic immunity, guys. Relax, slow down. Relax, slow down. Sit back. Diplomatic immunity. You gotta slow down and think about it. Oh. Have a good day, fellas. Have a good day, fellas. We talk to you out there. Have a drink for me. Have a good drink for me. Have a drink for the winners. Do not give up on your sins. Oh my gosh. Have a good one, fellas. Remember, Lucid is the last freaking day. Lucid is the last freaking day on their flexes. From tomorrow, the couple of dollars are gonna be there on the invoice. Have a good one, guys. You're gonna get one, Lucid. You gotta win the competition, buddy. We talk to you soon. Looking forward to it. We chat on Discord. See you guys.